Name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. But in the sky, air and the earth, in the Holy Quran, we can divide. Almighty Allah, Almighty Allah, Almighty Allah. None can be sure, none can be sure, go there with them. He is alone, he was alone, he will be alone for the day of judgment. Honorable Justice, respectable teacher and students, Assalamu Alaikum. As you know, we are celebrating the Culture Day. So today my topic is, I shall go to jungle as there is no law and order in my country. So I start my speech with this poetry. बातिल से कभी हट न दबाए न दबेगा, बातिल से कभी हट न दबाए न दबेगा, तो कैसे से लाभ रुका है न रुकेगा। सीने में मेरे हक की लगन और बढ़ेगी, सीने में मेरे हक की लगन और बढ़ेगी, आंधे से जो शोला न बुझाए न बुझेगा। घोड़ों से उसे दो को गिरा सकते हो लेकिन, घोड़ों से उसे दो को गिरा सकते हो लेकिन, सच्चाई का परचम न गिरा है न गिरेगा, सच्चाई का परचम न गिरा है न गिरेगा। Respected sir, my beloved country, which is based upon the many ideological foundation of co-nation, where as the matter of fact, the Taliban were planned, designed, nurtured, matured, trained and brought into existence. And observers, terror and global fascism. Respected sir, a human does not mean to fight or kill for the sake of own good, power, peace, honesty. But it is really means that the fundamental rights of human to give free exercise to his or her society.